Hello, my name is Henry Thurber and I am studying materials engineering at Iowa State University. Here at Iowa State, I am a member of the Iowa Alpha chapter of Tau Beta Pi. Founded in 1885, Tau Beta Pi currently has over 600,000 members within its 250 chapters across the nation. Spreading knowledge through outreach, Tau Beta Pi hosts an annual roller coaster building competition and the Building Futures event at Iowa State. Today, we are going to go through the 3D printing process with you. We plan to make a card clip. First, we start by drawing rough sketches on a piece of paper. Then we proceed to go on the computer to use a special software called CAD. We can design our 3D model first by creating a two-dimensional drawing of the part. Here you can see what will become the main frame of the clip. This drawing only needs to be a rough outline of what the 3D model will look like. Now we can use the tools of the software to extend one of the sides and we have a 3D model of one part. The CAD software will allow us to further modify this part, as we can round all the sharp corners. We can also use these tools to cut a spot for the clip that we are about to design. The clip will be the part which holds cards into the frame. We again start with a simple drawing. Then we can use the software to extend one side into a 3D mode, and like before, round off the sharp corners. Now we can take these two separate parts and combine them together into something that looks quite similar to our final product. We can then take the assembled parts and send the 3D models to our printer. The printer will do its best to recreate our model. Here you can see the card clip printing. This printer lays down small lines of liquid plastic and builds up the design layer by layer. This video is sped up at 30 times speed, so every 2 seconds of this is about a minute of real-world time. The actual printing of this part took an hour to print. A 3D printer can only move so fast, as each layer of plastic needs to harden. This means that larger or more complicated designs may take hours or even days to print. Here is the finished card clip. This is a simpler build so that we can show you the full process in this short video. 3D printers can print using a variety of materials. The normal 3D printer one would think of uses a filament made of different types of plastics. Seen here is a gray plastic that is heated up then extruded onto the platform. Many of these printers are able to print multiple plastics at the same time, either different colors or even different types of plastic. One of these is a water-soluble plastic, which is used to print more complex things, like this Yoda. Once it is completely printed, one is able to submerge it in water and use a brush to scrub off the plastic, leaving a very detailed 3D printed object. There are many applications for 3D printing that don't include making Yodas and card holders too. Some medical devices can be made using 3D printing, including arm and leg prosthetics, surgical instruments, orthopedic implants to replace a joint or bone, and even fully functioning organs that can be used for transplants in the future. Another application of 3D printing is using a larger 3D printer with cement as a printing material. A house is able to be printed in under 24 hours for small homes and around 3 days for larger ones. This application could be used for low-income housing, as this would be fairly cheap to reproduce, with the structure being primarily made of concrete, and take significantly shorter time to build than a regular home. Overall, the 3D printing process is a very good way to get yourself into the field of engineering. From being able to print cool toys like a spinning top or a Yoda bobblehead, to being able to print medical devices that save patients' lives, the future and versatility of 3D printers are almost endless. We hope that you enjoyed the 3D printing process, and thank you for watching.